What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Bringing you guys another video. Today I'm here with Moaz.
What's up, guys?
What's up, man? Bro, lighting is horrible. I'm super excited. Like, I'm gonna be letting him drive my 440i, and yeah,
I think I'm more excited than him because honestly, with the stuff he's been doing to it,
bro, guys,
so excited.
My car is super fast now. Like, I can't even explain it. Quick little update. I went stage 2 plus on E30 tune, so I'm running boot mode 3, the OTS map, stage 2 plus E30, and in order to do that I had to upgrade my high pressure fuel pump. So I actually went and bought a B58 TU pump, which is the fuel pump off the Supra. So it's crazy. It enables you to go stage 2 plus and to run more ethanol in the car, and yeah, I'm pretty excited.
So we got the Bupra,
The 4-door Supra now, boys.
Yes,
It's crazy. Let me show you guys a fuel pump real quick. Alright guys, so this is the B58 TU pump, which is the Supra fuel pump. Let me actually open this real quick, take this off. Ooh, it's a little hot. But this is a Supra fuel pump. So this is what enabled me to go stage 2 plus and to run more ethanol and basically just push the car, get a little bit more horsepower.
Go crazy on it, basically.
Bro, I'm super excited to get his reaction. But yeah, just get in the car, bro.
Let's do it.
Let me give you the key.
Okay.
It's
mine?
Yes, sir. For like 30 minutes.
Hey, let's do an hour.
Oh my god.
It's funny because I'm sitting driver's seat right now. So it feels better, you know.
It's crazy.
And honestly, bro, I think the E30 mix kind of made your exhaust a little louder.
For sure. I swear, I think it changed the tone of the exhaust.
Oh, especially the startup.
Bro, the startup sounds like a M4 GTS or something, bro. I don't know, man.
We'll hype it up. We'll hype
it up a little bit. It sounds good though. It's crazy.
Let's go.
Don't floor it in first.
Obviously.
And then get into like 4K RPMs in second gear, then you can floor it. Just because it's gonna spin out way too much before that.
Yeah, no, I got it. Don't worry. I'm just gonna floor it off at first.
Yeah, don't do that. I haven't even done that yet. I'm too scared.
No, I'm gonna keep it calm for now. Just you know, kind of get feeling.
Get out of this lighting, man.
This Honda.
Man, this car is going so slow.
Come on, brother.
All right.
Oh my god. Man. Oh my god. Well, I did not mean to do that.
Get over this little railroad track. Oh man.
Oh my god, it just wants to move, bro.
Why are you flooring it?
I'm not even touching it.
Okay, downshift one more time. Oh my god.
Oh my.
Oh man.
Oh. No, I didn't actually expect that, bro. No.
Bro.
Was that Ali?
That is Ali.
Oh, he's looking good at that 435 though.
That's crazy. Our friend just bought a new whip, so we'll show it to you after we're done with this little clip.
Sorry, sir, ma'am, whatever you are right now. I can't know anymore, bro. Dude, is it a different passenger?
Yeah, bro, I hurt my head, man.
Dude, I didn't bro, what is this? Bro, this is quicker than the M4 I drove.
Bro, like, I wasn't even overreacting. Like, that was crazy.
My heart's actually out of place right now.
I didn't
I'm not even capping right now. Like, my heart is actually out of rate. Oh my god, I just love that.
Bro, honestly, like, I wasn't even overreacting with that pull. My head literally hit the back of the freaking seat. That actually hurt.
Bro,
I almost knocked myself out.
It spun so, like, it was stable. It felt comfortable. It felt like, you know.
Yeah, but no, it like
spins.
Exactly. That's why I warned you. Like, don't floor it like below like 4K RPMs in second gear because it's crazy.
That's crazy. Holy, bro.
Crazy, bro.
Dude.
Bro, imagine, like, this is fast. Just imagine, like, with like an upgraded turbo, or
no,
like,
let's not talk about that.
or like an E50 mix.
Bro, this is actually, bro, I'm so used to driving my 335. If I get in my 335 right now, I'm gonna feel like it's dog slow, bro.
Do you think it's faster than an M4 now? For sure.
Oh yeah. Oh my god!
It's so torquey.
It's torque, bro.
It's so torquey.
It's not even like that. It's just, it wants to move.
One more floor, come on, man. You get it. Drop it in a second, man. Drop it in a second. Let's see this. I gotta get ready for this.
Oh my god! Bro, I'm not even like overreacting right now, bro.
Bro,
This is quick.
It's
Bro,
crazy.
like, I was like, okay, I'm not gonna lie. Originally, when he was making the video, I was like, okay, like it's not gonna be that crazy. I'm gonna have to like show some BS. Like,
I'm
emotion.
telling you, like the day what was it? Like a couple days ago.
Oh my god, bro! I don't care. Look at E97. Bro, I'm not even overreacting.
I think it's pretty clean though.
It is, bro.
No, bro, like a couple.
Holy.
You remember when we first did it a couple days ago, and like I floored it, and you were like, like you didn't. His hand is shaking.
No, that was a twitch right there, bro. I'm actually shaking, bro. I got that adrenaline rush.
No, but you remember when we first did it, and I was telling you, bro, I didn't expect the power. I feel like you didn't believe me.
No, because passenger is different.
Does
it feel quicker in passenger?
It does, but
because
like,
you're not used to it.
Yeah.
But I usually sit passenger, so when I'm driving, I'm not used to it, bro.
Yeah.
Dude, this feels good, bro. I'm trying full bolt on today, bro.
Bro, you have to full bolt-ons, order them today. Go to stage 2 right now.
Bro, it's psychotic, bro. Actually.
Bro, it's insane.
It feels good. It feels really smooth. It provides the power smoothly, but at the same time, it like has that like want to move, you know?
Exactly. Exactly.
I love that.
Low-key, like it's scary too, though.
No, it is.
It's like super scary. Cause I floored it in like second gear, like 2,500 RPMs once, and I literally like skirted into the next lane.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
like it's actually scary.
No, one time I've driven the Mark 5 Supra, if that's what it's called.
Yeah.
And dude, like it was stage 2. It was.
Oh yeah, I drove that one before.
It wasn't this quick. It wasn't this quick.
Yeah, this feels a little bit faster.
That's a cop.
Where?
Never mind. Just motorcycle.
Don't scare me like that, bro. I'm like throwing comfort right now. Close the valves.
Oh my god, bro. Like
bro.
I'm like forgetting we're recording at this point, bro. Dude,
bro.
This is psycho.
And this is his initial first
I'm not
reaction,
even lying right now because I told him, let me drive it, bro. Let me drive it. I don't care about the video right now. And then like he was like, you know, we'll shoot a video, bro. It was worth the video.
It really worth it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, it's fast. It's so fast.
Scary. Bro.
And a lot of my friends were telling me go straight E50, stage 2 plus E50 mix, but I was like, nah, I want to try E30, you know, get used to the power. I'm just like, God, bro, come on, man, you're cutting me off now.
I know, I'm sorry. I'm getting lost right now, bro.
I just can't imagine if I went E50 before E30. Like,
you would have died.
For sure.
Died. That's it, bro.
For sure.
Dude, you just want to floor it every day, every time. Bro, this is what it feels like to own a crazy car.
Bro, you want to see my gas mileage?
Oh, I can just tell.
Look at this real quick. Look at this. What is it? 13.5 miles per gallon.
You don't have a...
It's so bad.
Oh, you're gonna have to Phillips. I'm done. Holy, bro. We're not gonna adjust that speed on the camera. On that speed is not to be spoken about.
Bro, my heart.
Bro, like you look down, you'll be going 30. Somehow you're going 105. Bro, I wasn't going 105.
No, we were going 45 max.
Max, yeah.
Max.
Dude, it moves, bro.
It really does. It really does.
Oh my god. I don't know. Bro, I'm not even lying right now, bro. I'm not. Bro, my reaction is, I wasn't expecting myself to react like this, bro.
Bro, I'm telling you, it's fast, bro.
Well, I'm actually excited. I would drive this every day and I don't care about gas.
Exactly. Why do you think I'm getting 13 miles per gallon, bro?
Last one.
Oh my god. What is that on the ground? Oh, we're good.
You're good.
But
my heart literally, like, every time you do that, it just, I don't know how to explain it. Like,
bro, I'm telling you, like, you get a rush. You
get this like adrenaline rush right there.
Exactly,
like,
exactly. Oh my god.
I didn't want to floor it at first. I just probably like 30% gas right
exactly, bro. Bro, did you try? You tried it, like going 50% on the gas feels like my stage 2 too.
It's bro. Oh my god.
It's quick. It's
a little
quick.
too quick, sir.
Sheesh.
MashaAllah.
Bro, this thing is crazy.
Okay, what's your signals?
Oh, bro, this thing is crazy. MashaAllah, bro. Congrats.
Oh my god.
Adi. Congrats, man. Bro. 435i. Hey, it has the M Performance exhaust too.
Show them the interior. Show them the interior.
Oh, it's a little dirty.
Yeah.
You gotta polish these real quick, but you can see the M. Ooh, it's filthy.
He ordered it like
Bro!
Hey, let's get out. Let me get the camera.
Look at the interior.
Hold
Bro,
up.
this is my dream interior. I want this interior.
Oh my god.
I'm about to sell your interior, bro.
I fell in love with it. Bro, that looks good, bro. At first I didn't know, like, when Nurse told me, oh, he wants like the dry carbon, I didn't
Bro, wait,
know how
I need
feel
to
about it. Like, when I have one right now, bro, it looks amazing.
I'm a little tall for this, but
Fix the seat, fix the seat.
no, it's okay. I don't want
This guy is huge.
Bro, the carpet looks sick. Look, did you feel it? Feel it. Feel it real quick.
Oh, what?
I'm telling you, bro.
Dry carbon.
Like, look at the M Performance Alcantara.
I actually love it.
Bro, even the e-brake. Let me try this.
Well, you can actually feel the weed. Yeah.
Bro. POV.
Bro, let's go for a ride. Let's go for a ride. You have to.
I could drive?
Yeah.
No way.
Both of you can drive.
Oh! Say less.
Well, I'm driving first.
Okay, bro, I need to start this thing. Ooh, let's put it over here. Okay.
Yeah,
It's stock, but it sounds good.
It was already warm.
It's stock.
Cold start sounds way better.
No, it sounds good.
Morning.
It sounds good. It sounds super good. I put it in Sport Plus mode. I want you to rev it for me a little
Oh,
bit.
they already stole my car.
Oh my god, it sounds good. This is stock?
Why is it cold?
Wait. Bro, there's no way this is stock. It sounds so good. Oh man.
That sounds good, bro.
Hey bro, I'm taking your car, bro.
You have a better car right there. Okay, take my car, let me have that one.
I don't know about that one, buddy. But I'll give it to you for a week if you give me that trim.
No, never mind.
Alright guys, we're going for a ride now. He said I could drive it, so we'll see. We'll see the difference between a 440 and a 435i.
Completely stock.
Yeah, mine.
Oh, actually, he has the exhaust.
He does have the exhaust, but I don't think it's the.
They don't tune it?
No, it's just exhaust.
Yeah, it's just exhaust.
Bro, your steering wheel feels like.
Thin, right?
No, but it feels better than like how mine was, because mine started cracking everything. Yours looks brand new.
Yeah.
Like mashallah, looks super good. Oh man, bro, I actually like the coupe.
Yeah.
Time to switch it in and get a coupe instead of a Grand Coupe. Oh, that sounds good. Can I floor it?
Go for it.
It sounds good.
No, it sounds pretty good.
It feels good too. Let me see if I can get some of that burble action in here.
Yeah, you can hear it a little bit.
I can hear it. No, I can definitely hear it. I don't know if the camera.
The camera's not gonna pick it up. That's why I said. Yeah.
But it sounds super good. Bro, mashallah, bro.
I just love the trim, bro.
Wallah mabruk, bro. I'm so happy.
Look at this.
Bro, I don't even care about the paddles right now. I'm gonna shift with this thing.
I don't even use my paddles.
I'm shifting, bro. Show them this. I'm not using the paddles. I'm shifting with this just because of how good it feels. Like it feels so good. Oh my god.
There's like a push to it, bro.
No. It's fast.
Yeah.
It's definitely fast.
I don't think anything that you come out of from Nurse's car is fast. I'm gonna be straight up with you. Yeah, he probably feels slow right now because he was driving his car.
Wait, point the camera at me real quick. I don't know if you guys have known this about me, but before I got the 440, I wanted a 435i, and yeah, so it's kind of cool that you got it. This was my dream car before I got a 440i.
Yeah, and then they started making the 440, so no moved on.
Yeah. No, but wallah, I love it, bro.
Yeah.
I actually like this.
Oh, it's beautiful, bro.
It's super nice.
What do you think? Great, bro. It is beautiful. It's crazy.
Hey. Shout out to Amen, bro. I'm driving your car now, basically. Just gray, though.
I first was like, who is that? Bro, it's crazy because after I drove Nurse's car, I feel like if I get in my car, I'm gonna be like, what? Am I driving like a 2002 Honda Civic, bro?
The turbo sounds so freaking good.
I know.
It sounds so good.
quick. Watch out, the 335i is right there.
Ooh, man. You gotta be careful on the road, bro.
This thing is so fun, bro.
Wallah habibi, congrats, man. I'm so happy.
Bro.
It's like
we with the Beamer squad now.
Yeah, for real, bro. Now we all got Beamers. But honestly, bro, it's like the way I think about it is like when my friend gets a new car, like it makes me so happy, bro. It's like I just bought another car. Wallah, bro, congrats, man. I'm super happy for you.
You don't have to angle, remember?
Oh yeah, true. I forgot.
Oh, you talking about that noise?
Yeah, that noise.
You're good.
Yeah,
He probably needs new brakes.
Yeah, you're. Oh man, it feels good. Congrats, my brother. Guys, I'm here with the boys. Let me show you guys the lineup real quickly. So we got the 440i, Ali's new 435i. Mashallah, Mabruk, bro. Congrats.
M Sport.
M Sport. And then
My 328i.
it's a 328i. That's why he deep edged it.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
No, it came like that.
With my dirty bro, look, hold up.
Bro, but what do you think about the car though after driving it?
Okay, honestly, hold on, let me get the lighting. Sheesh. Okay, there we go. Bro, at first I was saying this in the car, but I don't think I made sense. Bro, it is fast. Like, goodbye Hellcat, you know, goodbye everyone. It's quick, like it's scary quick, honestly. If he gets like some good tires and puts all that power down, like you won't know him anymore, bro. Buy Ferrari, whatever.
Bro, get out of here, bro. Give me my money. We need to run. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. Peace out.